I would show you how easy it is to put the BEMER leg cuffs on. And Vancouver will be the perfect demonstration horse, right? So we just take, make sure that the battery portion is on the outside of the leg, facing outside. You unstrap the Velcro and you put the leg cuff on like so. And you take your top strap, put it into place, middle, same goes. You can push it down a little bit as well. And then do the other leg. Same goes, thing, go, put them both on. I like to turn them on at the exact same time so they're on the same timer. So for today, I'm doing the 10-minute cycle. And so we just take that top button and click once, and top button and click once. So that's relatively easy. We then take and unwrap the blanket portion. I like to put the blanket portion on first, after the leg cuffs. Throw that on. And then we organize and custom fit to the horse as best as we can. So, I don't know if you can see this. You clip it up in front, just like a blanket. You pull back here. We're gonna lift this Velcro, just like that, and then I take it up here, that second portion, and you pull it this way. So there's a little, I don't know, Velcro holder there, and you can pull it all the way down so it fits your larger horses, and then fasten here, and then we do the same on the other side. After that, we put our leg straps around the leg. I like doing it around the leg, not crisscrossing like a blanket. And then I'll actually make this a little tighter so it fits a little bit better around the horse's quads and hind end muscles. Side, you put these leg straps around. Make sure they're all connected so it's a fitted feel. And then I take this elastic, put it through here, and connect it just like a blanket thing. And we hold it, we push that down. And then I like to take this neck piece, pull it out of the handy dandy travel bag, and we put it on like so. We're gonna have the battery part facing us. Ooh, good boy. And we put a little clip here that connects to the top of this elastic piece. Then we connect it right here on the top of the halter. And we connect here on the neck, the upper neck, and then the lower neck. So that's how you put on or attach the BEMER neck piece as well as the BEMER body piece. I am also doing a 15-minute session today, so that'll look like holding the buttons, the bottom button, turning it on so it has the 3 things because it's full battery right now, and then you do the 1, 2, 3 point. So we're going to click on that. He's already starting to release, which is nice. And we're going to click on the bottom one. So that's the 15-minute session. We also have a 10-minute session and a 5-minute session with this BEMER. It really helps to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system in the horse. So that's the relaxation system, as well as helps with taking out the negative, the bad flow of blood, or the different toxins and like the lactic acid. So it just pushes all that junk out of the body by stimulating the microcellular blood flow. So it reaches down there and it just helps relax the horse. It also promotes overall health and wellness with the horse, and they love it. So definitely a worthwhile product. If you would like to contact me, I will be more than willing to talk with you about any questions.